Need to recover files from an SSD drive? First, stop using that drive right now. In this video, I'll show you how to get those files back safe and intact. Solid-state drive data recovery is different from regular hard drives, so don't put this off because timing really matters here. On a regular hard drive, deleted data can stay there until something new replaces it. Data recovery from SSD is trickier because trim can clear deleted space almost immediately after deletion or formatting. So if this happened on an internal SSD, trim may have already run. But trim doesn't apply to every case. If your SSD became raw, the file system got corrupted, or a partition was deleted, the data may still be there. External SSDs can also have better chances because trim doesn't always pass through USB or Type-C. In those cases, solid-state drive recovery still has a real chance. If this is an internal SSD, remove it if you can do it safely and scan it from another computer through a compatible enclosure or adapter. If that's not possible, open Command Prompt as administrator and paste the command shown on the screen to disable trim. Then restart. Just keep in mind that neither option can bring back anything trim has already cleared. From this point, avoid anything that writes new data to the SSD. Don't save new files to it, don't install anything on it, and don't format it, even if Windows asks you to. Now we can move to actual SSD data recovery. For that, you'll need recovery software. You can find plenty of options online, but for this video, I'll show the process in Disk Drill. I've used it before when I needed to recover deleted files from an SSD, and it worked really well for me. It's powerful, but still simple enough for a complete beginner. Before we move, one more safety note. If you're dealing with damaged SSD data recovery, create a disk image first. You can do that right in Disk Drill via Disk Imaging tool. Select the SSD, pick a destination with more free space than the drive, and start the imaging process. After that, you'll scan this copy instead of the original drive. Now that we've done the prep, here's how to recover SSD data with Disk Drill. Step 1. Go to the official Disk Drill page at cleverfiles.com and download the installer. Step 2. Install Disk Drill to another drive, not the one you're recovering from. Step 3, once the installation is done, open Disk Drill and pick the SSD you want to scan from the list of connected drives. Double check you've got the right one, especially if you've got multiple drives or partitions plugged in. Step 4, click Search for Lost Data and let the scan run from start to finish. It'll start finding files pretty quickly, but don't stop it early, since some results only show up near the end. Step 5, once it's done, look for the files you need. Disk Drill sorts everything by file type, so you can check pictures, videos, documents, and other categories. You can also search by file name or use filters like size and date modified. If the file system is still readable, Disk Drill can also show the original folder structure, so the file may still appear in its old folder. If it's not there, check the reconstructed section too. Step 6. Before you recover SSD files, preview them. Disk Drill gives you unlimited preview so you can check if the files open correctly. If they do, they'll likely recover properly. Step 7. Select what you need, hit recover, and save it all to a different drive, not back onto the SSD you just scanned. Once it's done, open that location and confirm everything is there. If the files still don't show up, there's a chance trim already erased them or they were overwritten by something new. This is pretty common with SSDs, so at this point, there may be nothing left to recover. Your next best option is to look outside the SSD. Check your cloud storage, external drives, email attachments, messenger chats, or any folder where you might have copied those files before. Sometimes that random old copy is what saves you. I really hope this helped you recover data from the SSD. Going forward, keep backups in at least 2 places, like an external drive and cloud storage, so you're never stuck like this again. And that's it for today. Leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your SSD file recovery went. See you in the next one.